decided to take a few days and hang out in Seattle to explore the city before heading out on our cruise. Here are some highlights.
Well, this looks phenomenal.
It looks so good.
Wow. Brody, what did you get?
Spicy chicken.
Spicy chicken? What did you get?
Spicy chicken.
And I got the vegetarian ramen. Where are we? Do we even know where we're at right now?
I have no idea what it's called.
I think it's called Zuki's. And it's amazing. Absolutely amazing. The ramen looks incredible. And we are super excited to dig in. We waited an hour, but it looks like it's gonna be worth it. So very excited. Hey, what's up guys? All right, so we are coming to you from the Seattle Regency Hyatt, the Seattle Hyatt Regency, one of the two. And this is our room tour. So it starts on the outside. All of the rooms have these really cool, it looks like they're all kind of like backlit pictures, but it's actually really, really cool. We have a corner room, so it has two windows. It has a window facing north, and then I think there's another one that faces west. So let's get to it.
Hi.
Oh, hello, and welcome.
Welcome to this beautiful view.
I think this is the coolest part of the room. As soon as you enter, this is not a picture, this is actually a window. It's that big. There's a little nook here, like with a shelf.
And we have completely moved in
Completely.
before our cruise.
Yep, ironing board is out. All right, to the left you have the bathroom. Leanne's gonna go in here. Showers are nice. They don't close all the way, which is, they just have like this one pane of
They don't
glass.
close at all.
Yeah.
And then this dims.
The mirror dims, which is really, really cool. Super nice. Bathroom is pretty standard. I don't think there's anything that I don't like about it. It's nice. And then we have two queen beds. Say hi, bro.
I'm the queen.
TV. This is probably at least a 70-inch. It's huge, massive TV. And then we have another window over here. So you have a nice little table and chair, which I'm utilizing for all of my stuff because we go on our cruise tomorrow. But you can see the views of the city are amazing. Of course, it's kind of a dreary day, which is standard for Seattle, but absolutely beautiful views of downtown Seattle. You can definitely see the Ferris wheel up there. So,
And then we have a nice little work desk there with some USB charging ports, a safe that actually holds a pretty large laptop. I have a very big laptop in there.
Yep.
And it holds a refrigerator, coffee, and they stock you up with waters, which is really nice.
yeah, 100% agree. It's very, very nice. So, enjoying the stay, love the views. That'll be it for the room tour. Stay tuned. Oh, that's cool. This is where they throw the fish, bro. When somebody buys a fish, this is where they throw it. Look at the salmon. Wow. That's crazy. How fresh is that? That's insane. I know. You guys want to go in?
Black gun! Black gun! Yeah!
Anything bigger?
Black gun! Black gun! Yeah!
I can't tell you how good this place smells right now. Incredible. Talking to you guys. How is that only $10? That's crazy.
Imagine like grilled fish and sunflowers put together.
This is incredible.
I think he's accurate.
What? Exactly.
Fish and sunflowers.
Grilled fish and sunflowers. Welcome to Pike's Public Market, right? Pike's Public Market, is that right?
I think so.
We think so. All right, buddy, what did you get?
Grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese from...
Right here. Silver Springs Creamery.
That looks amazing.
Yeah.
It smells so good.
It does,
I'm
yeah.
regretting that we didn't get one.
Well, I mean, we can always come back.
It's really hot right now, so can't eat it right now, but I think they know the stuff, so.
Yeah, grilled cheese on sourdough. Yum. What do we have in here?
Honest biscuits.
Honest biscuits. And what did you get?
Well, we're sharing.
I know that, but what
He
did you...
said we're sharing, and now he doesn't want to give me any of the one that he has in front of him because he has a crab melt.
Mine has Dungeness crab. It has cheese from, I think there's a local cheese company that's right across the street.
So Corey was saying we used to live near Pike's Peak, and so he keeps wanting to call it Pike's Peak.
Cheers. And we also went to Indie Chocolate, which apparently they do coffees and stuff like that. So I got myself a nice oat milk latte with some of their chocolate. Looking forward to that. Oh, and a cookie which has their chocolate in it as well. Sea salt. I think there's nuts, some other stuff. I don't know. She said they literally sell out of those relatively quick before noon, and there was only one left. So I got it. And it looked good. Enjoy. I can't even... Here, just start walking. This street, I feel like we're in San Francisco right now.
Like the Wonder Spot in Wisconsin Dells.
The Wonder Spot in Wisconsin, yeah. Like this street, it's like you're walking up sideways.
What you gotta do is you gotta like take a photo with the angle. So it's really see how steep it is.
It's nearly impossible to get the steepness on the video. But let me tell you, by walking it right now, it is steep. Oh, did you hear that? Leroy said her button is burning. This is insane. These cars are parked sideways. Wow. I should have turned the heart rate monitor on to get some perspective on how the climb is going. This is wild though.
Prepare it right away. In the meantime, you can find more details in the Artly Coffee app.
So Brody ordered a hot chocolate at this Robotic cafe, and the robot is now making a hot chocolate for Brody. And this shows you the progress. This is so wild. Here goes the chocolate. So precise.
Excellent choice. Pingers. Our vanilla bean latte is one of my favorites. Let me prepare it right away. In the meantime, you can find more details in the Artly Coffee app.
Looks like the coffee is in, and they are steaming the oat milk for me right now.
It's actually good. Like for robot making this, it's
Look at that.
good.
It actually did a design
Yeah.
in his hot chocolate too. That's wild. This is freaking awesome.
You can feel it. No.
Oh, come on. Oh.
We gotta go to the mall. Mom needed clothes.
Oh, man.
Where are you?
Museum of Flight.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Oh, man.
Where do we go?
Where's the Boeing Museum? You told me we were going to the mall, and then we pulled up here, and I was like, oh my god, no you didn't.
The Museum of Flights
Yeah.
in Seattle, Washington. We told Brody we were going to the mall so Mom could go shop. And we are here instead.
Yeah.
I think this was...
He wanted to come here so bad, and we just kept telling him we couldn't do it.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
Let's get some tickets. Is that a SR-70, what is it, SR-71 Blackbird down there? This is insanely cool. What do you,
I think this is cool.
you think this is cool?
Yeah, this is really cool.
Yeah. So we have obviously never been here, but this is super, super cool. We're in Seattle, and this was one of Brody's bucket list things to do, so we decided to do it. What do you think so far?
What do you think so
Oh, this is so cool, guys.
We've lost him.
We've lost him.
Lost him.
Maybe permanently.
He's gone for the day.
This is the current view, and that is absolutely incredible. Wow. They have an actual Concorde here. These are amazing. Like that's not a replica, like that's an actual Concorde. That just blows my mind. It's so cool. Up we go inside an actual Concorde. That's wild. Oh my god. Yeah, get in there.
Seattle was so much fun. The city was bright, beautiful, clean, and there was so much to do. We highly recommend spending a couple days before or after your cruise in Seattle. Coming up in our next video, we will take you along with us aboard the beautiful Quantum of the Seas and show you all the things to do on board during sea days. Thanks, guys. If you like our content, give us a like and a subscribe. See you next time. Bye.